Hello everyone, I'm Charles. Welcome to Graphic Design Quick Start. In this episode, I'll be showing you how to create a hammered background effect in Photoshop. As you can recall from our previous video, we were labeling this type in gold. We used the hammered background effect. This is how it looks. The basic process is to start with the plain background, apply any color to it, apply the clown filter, followed by crowd difference, later grass effect, and top it up with the lasted metal pattern overlay. Let me show you how that is done. Here we have some text on transparent background. Start with creating a new layer. Let us call it black. Hide the hammer text. Press D to shift to default foreground in background colors. Alt backspace to add color to the black layer. Since we'll be working with multiple filters, it is advisable to turn our background into a smart object. To make the filters editable, right click, convert smart object, go to filter, render, clouds, go to filter again, render, difference crowd. It applies the same effect but on a different blending mode. This effect is completely synthetic and no image backgrounds. Let us add the grass effect. Go to filter, distort. With previous versions of Photoshop, you can always find the grass effect under distort, but with the current versions of Photoshop, the grass effect is under filter gallery. Choose grass. By default, it gives you this frosted grass effect like the ones in shower doors. For you to transform this frosted effect to hammered metal effect, change the smoothness to 2, keep the scaling at 100%, and also change the texture to frosted. Click OK. Let us add the roasted metal pattern overlay. Go to Effects, Pattern Overlay, under Pattern, click on the right drop down arrow. If we are using the current version of Photoshop, go to Legacy Effects, go to Legacy Patterns, go to Patterns, choose Rusted Metal, change the blending mode to Soft Light, change the opacity to 25, click OK. Anytime you need to change the highlights and the shadows of the background, you can always double click on clouds or different clouds as many times as possible to align to an effect that you might like. That's how you create a hammered metal background, completely synthetic, no background images used. You can later overlay the background with any color that you may like. That's it for today. Like, comment, and consider subscribing to our channel so that you don't miss out on our next episodes.